5 o'clock Charlie. He's coming in for leftovers. Look at his size compared to the other ones. He grabbed a piece of chicken and took off. Mama Bee's eating some leftover taters. Mashed taters. I didn't know it, but Nugget was below my foot, or below my leg. I sit here with no lights, and I can't see nobody. That's all right. Fear not, for my God is with me. I got something on my side called Shadow Systems that's with me too. But with God, anything is possible. That's why it's so safe here. Because my Lord protects me. Beautiful's eating good. Sunshine eat more than I've ever seen her eat. They've all eat good. Like I said, Mama Bee's finishing off the taters. Bubba's laying on my leg. Rhett's laying here on the step beside of me. Madam Fluffy's on the step. Jackson's watching everybody. Blackjack's out there watching. Blackjack's watching 5 o'clock Charlie. Mama Beautiful eat well. She's already gone. She's went back to her kittens. She might have took a piece of chicken with her. Like I said, I had more chicken than I had cats. I had 20 chicken legs. Elvira's out there too. I had 20 chicken legs and only about 13 cats here, so. Mama Bee tears them taters up. She likes mashed taters. She loves mashed taters. I do too, though. But God bless everybody. Please rest within the promises of God. Say your prayers and rest good. The kitty cats and I love each and every one of you.